Welcome to our channel, Pedal and Tring Tring. Woohoo! Life on a cargo bike.
E-bikes are increasingly becoming popular every day because of environmental benefits, economic advantages, and convenience. They provide a sustainable and efficient transportation solution to people of all ages and fitness levels. Governments are supporting adoption of e-bikes by offering incentives. The Indian bicycle industry is catching up with this trend, with new brands emerging in the market.
One such new company is ZADD Bikes. ZADD is a Chandigarh-based startup founded by two young professionals, Aniket Bharadwaj and Shubham Goyal. We got an exclusive access to the all-new electric cargo bike, and we are the first to launch it on our channel. Today, we are taking the all-new electric cargo bike for a spin. Now let's check out the features of the bike. This model is called a utility hauler or simply a family cargo bike. The frame is a lightweight, long-tail aluminum alloy frame with a carrier. It has a glossy paint finish and available in three colors: lime green, lavender and ice blue. The frame is very unique and you can attach panniers, a basket or a seat on the rear side. ZADD e-bike comes with a 250 watt BLDC hub motor. A steel flat handlebar has a LCD display screen. Start the e-bike with a key on the right side of the handlebar. Press the power button to activate the LCD screen. It has 5 pedal assist modes. Use the up and down button to adjust the pedal assistance required. Lights can be switched off using this button. A horn is provided to alert the pedestrians. If you feel tired, use the twist throttle function on the grip for an effortless ride. Leather finish, wide and comfy saddle has a premium look. The seat post is made of steel with a quick release adjustment. The front basket comes along with the bike. It has internal cable routing for a clean look and options to mount bottle holders. Release is provided in the front tire in case of a flat. Front LED light for a safe view of the road. Rims are double-walled alloy and comes in full black shade. Reliable alloy heavy-duty pedals with shoe grips. Charge it indoors or outdoors. The bike has front and back steel mud guards. The bike has front and back mechanical disc brakes. It has a 20T cordless molded crank and heavy-duty chain. The removable lithium-ion battery can be charged in 3 hours. Batteries are available in two options: 7.8 Ah and 15 Ah. If you use double batteries of 15 Ah each, you can go up to a distance of 160 kilometers. The ZADD e-bike comes with a charger. Unlock the battery using a key. It has 20-inch wheels with front fork suspension. Rear bright light with brake light indicator for visibility. Center kickstand to park the e-bike. Saddle is comfortable and the brakes are responsive. Front basket can carry up to a weight of 7 kgs, while if you mount a basket on the rear side of the carrier, you can carry a weight of 50 kgs. The electrical equipment used in this e-bike are waterproof and can be used in all weather conditions. The tires have a steady grip and low rolling resistance. 20-inch Hartex nylon tires with road gripping and for a stable riding experience. This e-bike can be used by people between the height of 5 feet and 6 feet tall. The bike can take maximum rider weight of 100 kgs. The company offers a wide range of accessories such as baskets, pannier bags and cargo trailers, etc. This e-bike is designed for multi-purpose use cases. Use it to carry cargo luggage or for daily grocery shopping. It's ideal for personal use and for small businesses. By attaching a child seat, you can drop your kids to school or take them to a beach for a picnic. You can even carry your pets for an outdoor adventure. Effortlessly commute with this e-bike or use it for recreation and long rides. The weight of the ZADD e-bike is 25 kgs. Now let's test the bike on climbs. Uphills are no longer challenging with the ZADD e-bike. The ride quality is impressive with pedal assistance. With a throttle, it gives a boost. Compared to electric scooters, this e-bike is budget friendly. Now let's talk about the pricing. The utility hauler starts from 35,000 onwards. The cost of accessories is additional and you can buy as per your requirement. Overall, I am convinced with the design and performance of the ZADD utility hauler. From where can you buy this bike? You can buy it from amazonindia.com or zaddbikes.in. So how did you like this e-bike? Let us know in the comment section. The cargo bike segment is relatively new in India, but it is soon catching up. We will be covering more such reviews on cargo bikes exclusively for our subscribers. To stay tuned and updated, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell notification. This is Vijay Malhotra signing off. Goodbye.